probability. Now what is probability? Probability is, as we discussed, numeric value given to any events happening or not happening. So the numeric value given defines that what are the chances of anything happening or not happening. So I will be dealing with random experiments for the calculation of probability. Reason being, in random experiments we are aware that there are many possible outcomes, and every time we repeat the random experiment, the outcomes may be same or may vary, right? May or may not be same. So that is why we need to calculate the probability of any particular outcome happening or not happening, right? So therefore I have taken up an example over here of tossing a dice. Now while you toss a dice, what are the possible outcomes that you get? You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are my possible outcomes. Now I have taken up an event A in which I will be seeing to get a even number. Now out of all the possible outcomes, what are the possibilities of getting an even number? There are only 3, that is 2, 4 and 6. So I have all the even numbers in this outcomes, right? What will be the probability of event A happening? How many chances are there that the possible outcome will be an even number, right? If I put it into the question format, the answer would be 3 upon 6. Why? Because 3 is the number of outcomes that make the event, that is number of favorable outcomes, and divided by the total number of outcomes of the experiment. So any probability can be calculated with the same way. The next example that we are going to take is also dealing with the same question, that is we are going to make another event. Now that event is going to be something like in which we are going to deal with some other case of the same outcome. Say the next event B, I am going to take it as B. Now my B experiment or my B event is going to give me a 6. Now getting a 6 becomes my next event. Now the event 6 can occur how many times if you toss a coin? How many possible favorable outcomes are there for having a 6? There is only one possibility, that is single 6 only, because rest 5 are not the favorable outcomes. So what we do, the probability of getting B event would be equal to, what is the event? Number of favorable events, outcomes would be 1. So I get 1 upon 6. So this makes the probability of event B.